Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iObit Uninstaller completely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall iObit Uninstaller completely, start by closing the program if it is open. Locate the Windows Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Apps. Scroll through the list of installed applications. Click on iObit Uninstaller to reveal the options available. Select Uninstall, then confirm by clicking on Uninstall again in the prompt. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Next, to ensure complete removal, open the File Explorer. Navigate to the following directory, C:\program whitespace files. Look for the folder named iObit and delete it if it exists. Now, proceed to check your app data folder. Type %appdata% into the File Explorer address bar and press Enter. In the App Data folder, check the local and roaming subfolders for any remaining iObit files. Delete any folders related to iObit you may find. Next, you will want to clear the registry entries associated with iObit Uninstaller. Press the Windows key and type regedit, then press Enter. In the registry editor, be cautious as you navigate. Search for iObit in the registry by using the find function, Ctrl+F. Delete any keys or folders related to iObit. Make sure to back up your registry before making any changes. Additionally, consider using a trusted third-party uninstaller for thorough cleanup. By following these steps, iObit Uninstaller should be completely removed from your system. Regularly check for leftover files in both the program files and app data folders. This will help maintain your system's performance and free up storage space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.